Good morning. This is day 2 here in Thiruvananthapuram in Poovar Island, and we are off to the Neyyar Wildlife Sanctuary. It's about an hour from the resort, and before that, on the way, we'll have breakfast and hoping for a great wildlife experience today. Around 32 kilometers from Thiruvananthapuram, one comes across 12,000 hectares of natural vegetation in the form of the Neyyar Wildlife Sanctuary. So we have reached the wildlife sanctuary. So there's this ticket counter is right there. After you just come here on the road, the ticket counter is there. We bought the package of 1 hour, which cost us rupees 2,500, and that included many activities, including a 1 hour boat ride. So we bought the 1 hour package for 2,500 rupees, and that is like per family. So even if you're like one person, or if you're 5 people or 6 people, one boat equals to 2,500 for an hour. This is the deer park. There are total 220 deers inside that, and the area is spread across 21 acres. The area is spread across 21 acres, and this fencing. This is like all protected. Look, it's a temple.
Black pepper.
Paper powder.
Powder no.
What is this dry ginger coffee?
Ginger coffee. Ginger coffee. Oh.
After you exit and come on the main road where you've parked your car, you will find a shop with all the local produce, and this is the forest department produce. So you can get all sorts of items here, including dry ginger powder, aloe vera, mosquito repellents. After shopping some local produce found in these forests, next, like right next to the ticket counter, is the Python Park. The Python Park had one python and rest were crocodiles, and one crocodile was so huge, the hugest I've ever seen. Next, we noticed there was a restaurant by KTDC, as well as a beer parlour, so we thought of checking that out. Beer parlour was nice, but not really for females, you can say, because they're like all local men there. Not a bar, but then yeah, all the local men were there. So you only get non-veg food there, and if you want to have veg, then you have to come down at the Tamarind restaurant. It's like it's in the same premises. So there are only like biryanis available: egg biryani, veg biryani, and non-veg biryani. So we are going for egg biryani. And that ends my Neyyar Wildlife Sanctuary vlog. Do let me know how you liked in the comments below, and don't forget to subscribe and hit that bell icon.